first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 3, Day 5. Now we're going to be going a bit faster because this is our 5th day working on L blends. So I will help you with the first one, then we're going across. Okay, pull, coal, bull, full, goal, soul. Okay, so I'm going to say a group of sounds and then we're going to put them together. B, o, ak, black, k, o, it, clip, o, it, flip, g, o, ass, glass, s, o, and, slim, p, o, and, plan. Okay, nice job. Okay, now I'm going to say a word. I want you to say each sound in the word. Lap, o, a, p, 3 sounds. Slap, s, o, a, p, 4 sounds. Now friends, some of you might want to say soul, but soul is actually 2 sounds. It's o, 2 sounds. S, o, a, p, 4 sounds. Clap, k, o, a, p, 4 sounds. Go, class, k, o, a, s, 4 sounds. Cliff, k, o, e, 4 sounds. Lip, o, e, p, 3 sounds. Flip, o, e, p, 4 sounds. Clip, k, o, e, p, 4 sounds. Lap, b, o, a, k, 4 sounds. Glad, g, o, a, d, 4 sounds. Okay, friends. So, let's blend this word. Lip. The word is lip. Let's blend all the sounds and add an F to the beginning. So, lip becomes flip. Change the F to B. Lip. Change the B to K. So now it's coal. Becomes clip. Change the K to S. It becomes slip. Change the I to ass. Slap. Change the S to flap. Change the F to K. Clap. Change the P to S. So class. Change the K to G. Glass. Change the S to D. So glad. Okay, nice job. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 seconds and I'll have you read it. Remember, this is full. 3, 2, 1, flip. 3, 2, 1, class. 3, 2, 1, plan. 3, 2, 1, black. 3, 2, 1, glad. 3, 2, 1, claps. 3, 2, 1, clip. 3, 2, 1, blab. 3, 2, 1, clam. 3, 2, 1, slim. 3, 2, 1, flat. 3, 2, 1, flag. 3, 2, 1, vans. 3, 2, 1, bags. 3, 2, 1, caps. 3, 2, 1, mats. 3, 2, 1, wigs. 3, 2, 1, cliffs. 3, 2, 1, lips. 3, 2, 1, rags. 3, 2, 1, bins. 3, 2, 1, figs. 3, 2, 1, dad. 3, 2, 1, sack. 3, 2, 1, pick. 3, 2, 1, slick. 3, 2, 1, click. 3, 2, 1, slip. 3, 2, 1, black. 3, 2, 1, kiss. 3, 2, 1, fix. 3, 2, 1, glass. 3, 2, 1, slim. 3, 2, 1, plan. 3, 2, 1, claps. And I realized that was a lot. Those were a lot of words. But if you've been with us every single day this week, some of those should look a bit familiar, especially if they are an L blend. They have the L and another sound. Okay, here are our high frequency words. I'm going to give you 3 seconds, and then we will say the word and move on. 3, 2, 1, B. There will be 10 children at the party. 3, 2, 1, come. Will you come to the store with me? 3, 2, 1, good. The food at the restaurant was really good. 3, 2, 1, pull. If you pull too hard, it will break. Okay, here is our story for today. Let's make the sounds. Nan and Nat see. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. These are words we will see in the story. 3, 2, 1, and. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, can. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, in. Okay, here we go. Nan and Nat see. Okay, I'm going to let you go first. So none of these have that blend. I see see, I see and these are high frequency words, okay? So I'm going to let you go first, then I'll read it. Okay, Nan and Nat see a man tap. See how they're tapping in there? They're probably fixing something in the ground. Okay, I'm going to let you go this time. Okay, my turn. We'll do it together now. Nat can see a tan van. Okay, here's the next one. Okay, together. Nan can see Pam. And you'll notice we have capital for Nan and Pam because their names are important. Okay, here's the next one. You get to go first. And that word is store. Okay, we'll do it together. Nan can see in the store. Okay, your turn. Okay, together. Nat and Nan nap. Okay, friends, that's all for this week. I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.